Let's see what it's like opening the door without the escape artist. Oh, here we go. Within seconds, they appear. All three of them. Well, let's see if I can get into the room without anyone getting past me. Yep. Managed it. Go me. And they're all being quiet, which is so weird. Maybe they decided that being loud makes you disappear. Oh, babies. You sweetie babies. Yeah. You're all gonna get treats now. Mm-hmm. There we go. A little vocalizing. Very good. Yeah. Okay, so I got food, a bag that just got caught in my hand, and snacks. Snacky poos. Let's try it this way, see what happens. Just leave all the snacks in a pile and see what happens. Oh, somebody just gave up. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to rescue some for you, huh? Heart attack. Yeah, that's it. That's all the snacky poos you guys are getting for today. But I will refill your food bowls. And I'll check your water bowls. Sweet babies. Sweet kitties. Now they're doing their little land shark routine, trying to figure out if maybe they missed something. And yes, there are more treats in here, but I'm trying to keep it one compartment a day because each of these is a tube of kitten treats. Whoa! Yeah, that happens a lot. It's just not usually with the lid open like that. Yeah. Yeah, you scratch that thing. You scratch it good. Yeah, she's a little touch shy. That's fine. There's a little girl standing over there on the floor. There's a little boy over there having his supper. And I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I can hear Selena's meow echoing in the distance. But that could just be my imagination. I do feel guilty about sending her off into the street after giving her a taste of the good life. But we just can't keep taking care of them all. We're going to have to figure out something for these little guys soon if somebody doesn't step up. I love you guys, I really do, but you are literally toxic to one of the members of this household. And that's not a good thing.